Hi, it's Charlotte again. This exercise is called the platform contest. We use it as a way to drill direction changes, introduce repetition in shifting momentum, test our ability to listen to tempo, and take part in friendly competitions. Everything we do in the platform contest is either a forward or backward march at an 8 to 5 step size. Of course, like all of our other exercises, we can modify the exercise's step size, direction, technique, and so on. Line up on a yard line facing one of the end zones. The basic structure of the exercise is that you march 2-step intervals at a time, changing your direction on the last step in each direction. Your first instruction would be to march forward for 2 steps. On the second step, stop your momentum and re-step with the left foot and march backward for 2 steps. This second step would bring you back to where you started. Stop on your right foot and re-step with your left. The next instruction is to march forward for 4 steps. Stop on your right foot on count 4 and re-step with your left foot to begin backward marching for 4 steps, bringing you back to where you started. You can see the pattern start to emerge with the next instruction. March forward for 6, stop on your platform, march backward for 6, then for 8, 10, and so on. The fun in this activity comes from making it a competition. How so? You can get eliminated on a couple of premises. If you forget instructions and get out of step, if the tempo changes and you can't catch up to it, or if you don't make it back to the line where you started, you can be eliminated. If you have multiple people, then the objective is to stay in as long as possible. Here is a short demonstration of the platform contest.